Thank you to RedRestore for sponsoring this video. All opinions expressed are my own. You can use my affiliate code GIRLGEEK to save money off your purchase at their website at RedRestore.com. Now, RedRestore is laser therapy treatment that uses light energy to combat hair loss and promote new hair growth. So you can check out my progress pictures. And I don't know, this may sound crazy. I'm not sure. It's not something that it says that it does, but I feel like some of my grays may have been reversed, which is really, really exciting. So my hair is really important to me. It's kind of always been a part of my identity. I've had long hair. I'm a speaker, and it just gives me confidence as I'm up there on stage, and it just kind of, I just feel better with nicer, thicker hair. And as I've gotten older, because I'm now 50 years old, it started to kind of age. And I feel like this has really, really helped me to reverse some of that kind of aging hair that ends up happening. And it was also kind of at a point where it kind of stopped growing, and I feel like it's growing more. So the areas that I've found the most improvement is the length, because I wasn't getting the length, and I seem to have broken past that plateau that I was hitting, where I wasn't able to grow my hair anymore. And then of course up here, you'll notice that it seems a lot thicker in the area that I was most concerned about it thinning, which was right kind of at the top. So you can see that it's really grown quite a bit. And you know, the crazy thing is that I am getting so many compliments on my hair. It's really cool. And doesn't this just look cool? I mean, come on, man. It's awesome. Also, this is so easy to use. Literally once a day for 7 minutes, you just click the button and boom, it just turns right on, and you've got the lasers are going like that. Isn't that cool? I would totally recommend RedRestore. I think it's been amazing. It's a journey I'm looking forward. So this has been a 3-month review. And I'm going to be doing more, so make sure you check it out. Remember, you can use the code GIRLGEEK for a discount off your purchase at RedRestore.com. And yes, does RedRestore really work? Yes, it does. Laser therapy works. This is amazing. I can't believe it. It's so awesome. So, you know, RedRestore has a money-back guarantee as well. And so it makes it really, really easy to order, so you can check it out. And I'm so excited for continued results, and I can't wait for more hair growth, and I can't wait for you to check out the future updates. So make sure that you tune in, stay tuned, and find out what is going on my hair growth. Check it out.